In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Wolverine on Marvel Rivals on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a basic overview of Wolverine, your main role when you play as him, and what your abilities do. Keep in mind that I'm not going to go super in depth about combos and what you excel at in depth, but I'm still gonna give you a general overview so you can start picking up Wolverine and trying him out. So your main role is going to be an anti-tank. This means that you should always focus the tanks. Your gimmick is that your attacks will deal damage based on the HP percentage of the enemy. So when you attack enemies that have a large health pool, every single attack that you do is going to chunk them, and it can be hard for healers to keep up. But alternatively, or conversely, if you attack someone who has a small health pool, your attacks aren't going to do much, so the healers will be able to easily top them. So, your main attack is going to be a 4-hit combo. You will slash the enemy 4 times, and you will keep building rage. So in the middle of your screen, you will see this rage meter or berserker meter build up. When it reaches 100, it will be a max, and this will enhance your attacks, including your attack speed, and it will also enhance your basic attacks that deal damage based on the max health of the character. So as you can see here, rage builds when Wolverine attacks or take hits, boosting the damage of his claw strikes and the bonus health from the healing factor. You will also have the healing factor here, which shakes off debuffs, and then your main abilities. Your Vicious Rampage ability will dash forward and will do a basic claw strike. This shouldn't be used for damage. Instead, use it for movement, gap closing, and repositioning. So this will be your repositioning tool for movement and closing the gap on tanks primarily. Feral Leap is going to be your most interesting ability. You will jump up into the air, smash the ground. However, if you come across contact with any enemy, you will drag them as you fly forward. So this can be especially useful if a tank is harassing your team and you can reposition them. You can throw them away or throw them in the middle of your team so all of you can attack and shred them together. So always try to aim this at a specific enemy. After you do this, you will also get Berserk claw strikes at the end, which allows you to shred an enemy. But like I said before, you should focus on attacking tanks because your main attacks will deal damage based on the maximum HP pool of a specific character. So don't attack enemies that have extremely small health pools. Your attacks will not do a lot of damage and they will be able to win the fight versus you. But when you attack tanks, every single attack that you do is going to chunk them, and you should be able to keep yourself alive using the regenerative passive that you have. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.